आउज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। जब इस वनो एनर्जी ची गसान चेंज, हम कह सकते हैं कि एनर्जी चेंज फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म। दबा वुचो अत एनर्जी मज क्या गसान टोटल वुचो व्हाट हैपन्स टू द टोटल एनर्जी ऑफ ए सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग और आफ्टर द प्रोसेस। दबा एनर्जी गसान ट्रांसफॉर्म द टोटल एनर्जी रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड। व्हेन एनर्जी ट्रांसफॉर्म्स टोटल एनर्जी रिमेन रोजान रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड। टोटल एनर्जी रोजान रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड। वन लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। तो अकॉर्डिंग यम लॉ अगर इन लॉ थ्रू वुचो energy can be converted into one form to another. It can be neither created nor destroyed. This is a law of conservation of energy. The total energy after or before or after process is same. This is a law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy is valid tamam situation and all kind of transformation. Yum te transformation one form to another form. Law of conservation valid. The consider mass m. Consider अगर mass m करो consider mass m. तो consider mass m करो freely from the अगर ये पेवान एक height पे अगर ये पेवान एक height पे अमिच यस potential energy से बराबर mgh बराबर potential energy बराबर mgh बराबर अमिच potential energy. दबा अमिच kinetic energy zero. Kinetic energy zero. Kinetic energy zero. वो दबा kinetic energy क्या है zero. दबा it is because velocity ते zero. Kinetic energy zero because velocity ते बराबर zero. Kinetic energy zero. दबा is the zero velocity is the total energy of object is total energy object is बराबर total energy ते बराबर mg. Total energy ते बराबर mghs. Total energy ते बराबर mghs. दबा ये पेवान height पे एक object potential energy change into kinetic energy. अगर velocity तिस पर अगर v velocity at that instant तेल हेको kinetic energy बराबर kinetic energy बराबर 1/2 mv square. 1/2 mv square. दबा object continuous as the fall of object continues continuous object potential energy come while the kinetic energy increase when the object is about reach the ground edge. When the object is ground height till 0. The velocity will be highest. Tell velocity this point highest. Velocity this point highest. Therefore the kinetic energy will be largest and potential energy till kinetic energy the potential energy is come. However the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy would be the however potential energy the kinetic energy of an object will be same all point potential energy the kinetic energy is same. This is potential energy plus potential energy plus kinetic energy बराबर constant. यहाँ बराबर constant. यहाँ लिखित mgh plus 1/2 mv square बराबर constant. This is equation. Sum of kinetic energy and potential. You see sum of kinetic energy and potential is total mechanical energy. We find during the free fall of object the decrease potential. So object decrease potential energy at any point in path you see at any point in its path appears as equal amount of increase in kinetic energy. One is effect of resistance on the motion of object has been ignored. This effect of resistance motion of object is ignored. That's a continual transformation of gravitational potential into kinetic. Continue transformation of gravitational potential in the energy into kinetic. So we we find that the free fall of object اَتھ منٛز چھِ گژھان decrease potential energy at any point appears on equal in amount of increase in its kind یہِ چھِ گژھان برابر چھِ یہِ تَتھ منٛز یہِ equal amount of increase چھِ گژھان اَتھ kinetic energy منٛز تٔتھۍ چھِ أسۍ وَنان total mechanical energy gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy أسۍ چھِ وَنان أتھۍ continual transformation of gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy باقٕے وَسلام